thought that I could buy it, but you see the thing is, writing a love song's kinda hard. How would I start? Like I met you at a bar? Or how I felt the first time that I saw you? Or mention I was nervous the first time that I called you? See, it's not as easy as it looks. I'm coming up with nothing except where to throw the hook. Right there. Damn. I don't got verses. I don't got nothing. Like I gotta scratch. Alright, let's try it again. Feel like my head's underwater, cause the breathing's getting harder. Knowing that I can't write you a song, now you say don't bother. What kind of artist can't write his girl a song, knowing that you're tired running through my mind all day long? Damn, that was cheesy, but you gotta believe me that coming up with a love song is hard and far from easy. Taking the train to see me, I gotta thank you for it. Trying to write for a week and still only got a chorus. Damn.